everyone, welcome back. This is video 5, lecture topic 3. In this video, I will discuss resources that will be useful for you for ICT implementation. But before I talk about that, look at this. I've leveled up my own resources. I've got a nice spinning globe and a Suito Kokusai logo behind me. I've put a video display up in the corner. I can display anything that I want. I have my wonderful Japanese subtitles beside me. Well, this is definitely an example of an advanced ICT user, isn't it? Actually, I didn't get any new resources. I just learned better how to use the resources that were already available to me. The key ingredients for this improvement were my own motivation and imagination. I will probably use this layout to make short training videos for our teachers at Suito. I have even started teaching students how to use technology like this. I think that very soon they will be able to make many nice things and will make me look like an amateur. Let's talk about the resources that are available to you. There are many resources available that you and other teachers at your school might not know about. I have been coordinating with the Osaka City Board of Education to make a list of these resources. Things like manuals for using devices, manuals for using technology to enhance learning, important phone numbers for when you have problems, a questionnaire tool about ICT that you will be able to use with your staff, a checklist to act as a helpful guideline of things for you to think about as you implement ICT. Some resources are for teachers, some resources are for students. All of these things will be made available to you as part of this professional development. And later, we will talk about sharing them with people at your school. There is another important type of resource for you to consider: human resources. The people who already work at your school are potential resources for you. For example, you will need support from the principal and the vice principal. And there may be other teachers who will be very valuable to you as you implement your plan. Basically, anything that helps you to achieve the goal of successfully implementing ICT at your school is a resource. Bringing ICT into a school is complicated. It's not something that one person can do alone. You'll need to interact with many people, and I would like to mention a little more about that. Please join me in video 6, where I will talk about managing changes related to ICT implementation. And by that, I mostly mean working with 5 different types of people as you try to introduce new things. I think that you will find the topic very interesting.